Bye guys. So in this video, we are going to implement Redis in our Express app. In Express app, we are going to implement Redis. So, if before implement this Redis, you have to install that Redis in your computer, or you can use here Redis Lab. Also, it is also as well will work on your Express app Redis Lab. But if you, I already made it how to download Redis video. If you didn't watch, so you can watch it in my YouTube channel, and there will be you get how to download the Redis. So Redis. So yeah. So now I'm going to open my VS Code in this. So just I'm making a new folder here. Okay, task Redis. Just making a new index.js and just opening a terminal. For this, I have to download three things. First thing is Express. Express will be there also, and NodeMon, and there will be a lots of library to use to implement of the Redis in our Express app. But I'm using just IO Redis. There will be Redis also npm library where you can use that. But I'm using just IO Redis, and because I'm familiar with IO Redis, that reason I'm using. And if you are comfortable with anyone, if you feel like this will be a easy way to implement in the Express app, if we use this library, so there you can use that. But I'm using IO Redis. So just I'm downloading it. Okay. Just I have to do one thing before downloading it. I didn't make a package.json in this on our in our folder. I just have to make it uninstall and Express, and then NodeMon. And the last thing is that IO Redis. IO Redis. Just and now I'm going to making a init and now I'm downloading it. npm Express, NodeMon, and IO Redis. And for MongoDB, I'm going to use Mongoose. Stay downloading. So yeah, it's downloaded. Now just go in the package.json, just make a command for it. Start. Just have to in this script have to write start, and for running on the NodeMon, just have to write NodeMon and the index.js, your main file where you want to run. Okay, and just now let Express, just import that Express, and just and one thing here, what IO Redis also just require IO Redis, and just invoke the Express app, and just app.json. Just callback function here should be callback function. Control log that server. Now just have to do one. After that, we have to just go. We have to make a DB file for connecting to MongoDB. Just I'm making a db.js. Sorry for that. The name. They name it. Just porting Mongoose. Active. Let connection mongoose dot connect. And just you have to write. You have to put here your URL of the MongoDB, your local host URL. So just I'm putting here. I already have it. Just I'm going to db.js and exporting it. Just after that, we have to make a schema. Mongoose dot schema. Schema is the right you have. Just see yes. db.js schema, and the schema just have to name bold name. Name app should be string. And and the default I'm taking gold, because if admin is not putting name of the gold, so this will be a default in the gold. So just I'm putting gold and just have to write here price. Price should be number in the number. Okay. Just making I'm going to making model and mongoose dot model and just taking name gold rate. Okay. And just here I'm taking schema. Just have to export that this connection and this model into this index.js. So just I'm exporting here module dot export. Just have to write connection and just import here. Let connection import connection. You can require just here taking here try catch. There will be error. Just connection. Also locked here. Just now I'm going to run it. And you can see dependency in the Express IO Mongoose and that. So just I'm going to run it. npm run start. It's running perfectly. Yes, console log. TV is good. TV is running. Mongo TV is connected. So it is also connected. Now just we have to do one thing here. So first thing we have to see here one thing. If you're a local, if your Redis port number is default is 637, and there will be not use just give me time, and we are going to see documentation of the IO Redis. Then we are going. Let's now just we have to make here. I have got rules because we are going to take a body from the yes, sir. Just we have to see the syntax also. Just now go. I'm going to in there, and yeah. Now just app dot get dot post, and set gold rate. Put gold rate, not put. You just have to right here. Put gold rate. Update the gold rate. Update. Just sync. Have to make a sync here and request don't be small. And just have to do one thing here. You have to see here. We have under Give me a second for it. Just have to ask yourself. Okay, body. Okay, so now we have to just wait, model. To wait model and just have to update one file one and update one and just have to here just have to write here name will be a gold anonymity in will be a one and what we want to update price and the request dot body dot price and just have to here use so what does mean upset means if there will be no this if they find this document will be not there in the MongoDB, they will make it and they will update it. Okay, they will make it and with this price, if there will be no according to this name, there will be no document, so they will make it. So that reason I use it offset. If there will be not, and he will make it. Okay, so just now we have send response dot send and update success. So yeah. So here I'm doing what? And here I'm doing Redis dot set. Just have to do here one more thing. We have to invoke that also. We have to invoke that also. So Redis and IO Redis new also invoke that IO Redis and just in that way. Just now Redis okay Redis dot set. Just give me a second for it. I can check it where I'm doing. For the that we have to go into documentation of the this IO Redis. Just have to see it how to implement that. So yeah, Redis and then Redis. So just when you go here, here you can see by default it will connect to localhost 6379. So if we are connecting on in the localhost 6379, so there will be not required to write a port number. But if you are a different port number, then you can write here port number. So there will be also telling about the port number. Here you can see the port number have also written. If you are a, some if your port number is different, there you can write here port. Okay, new ready is port XYZ. Okay, so just I'm same port number, so I don't have to go somewhere. I don't have to write here port number. Just I'm invoking here. And you don't know why it's not what it is. Well, DSL, here it is. So they talk about scale like just now the small dice is not just use that. Okay. Either back here it is set just have the right key name. So with my key and right. This forget we want to set it to just we have to write here set my key name and write it. So where key name will be gold rate. and the value should be request.body.rate. So let's see it's working or not. Should be working in the, let's see in the Thunder client. Just and post and what should be there? Update. The route is update. Just have to. Yes, should be price. And name should be, if you want the name, should be gold. Price will be in the number. And suppose 5,000. Now just post it here. Here you can see we got the update success. So yeah, it is updated. So now it's updated. App dot get gold rate, gold rate, and just a string and just callback function and just if here I'm using caching. It means here I'm using a Redis. So just have to write here Redis get and just key name. So key name is gold rate. Here you can see gold rate. Key name will be gold rate. Here you can also see in the your command section. If I here write gold rate, so sorry, gold rate. Okay, sorry for that gold. So it's showing nothing. Why it's showing nothing? I'm not getting this. It's dot body dot rate. Oh, we had do. I'm putting here rate. We have to put here price, not rate. That is in the showing it. It's showing for that. Very for that. And if you want to here also write a expiry, just you have to write expire in I want to expire this is in 5 seconds. So in a 5 minutes. So in the 5 into what into now we do 5 into perfect. In 1 second, in 1 minute we in 1 minute will be a 60 second. So in the 50 just you have to write here. So just you have to write expire and just this second. So just I'm going to there wait for it. If I search here about expiry, so you can see here. There we have a written Redis dot set key data and extract. So yeah, I have a written as it is. So just now just dot price and just now update it. What's saying is app crash, syntax error, return no reply string. What's saying is hard very okay. 30 second, 300 second. It would be that. Why it's not getting? I'm not getting it. So just have to check it here. This Redis dot set. It's also right. Redis dot set. Really saying something is wrong. Error, syntax error. Okay. So just do here one thing. So it's absolutely right. Don't multiply here. Just write here 300. Now just pass it. Showing again error. It's bench dot body dot price. Oh, sorry. I did write here exp. There will be not be just ex. Now it is going work. Don't worry about. Yes, perfectly working. If now I'm going here, so where you can see get gold rate. Get gold rate. Now here you can see there will be Okay. Uh, so yeah. Now here if uh, if there will be, let's suppose, in the so just I'm getting a good rate from the cache, not from the MongoDB, because it will take time. I already told you in the previous video, in the first video of this Redis part. So I'm just taking a gold rate from the cache, and just I'm taking here callback function request, not to this error and result. Here you can see also, yes. Here you can see get yeah. Okay. So here you can see my key error and result. Okay. Here also is a callback function. Yeah. Yes. If we error, just have if there will be error, so I will be if there will be error, so I should here write control log error, and if there will be not error, just okay. So else if so, guys, here have to understand it is if there will be result, if their result will be nil, so it nil is not error, right? Nil is undefined, is false value, right? If it is false value, then we just have to write here. If it is false, if result is false, nil is not error. So if result is false, just we have to, we have to response dot send, and the gold rate response dot send, and after that we have to just write here if save await await model dot find. If it is false, then if it is false, then okay, find should be what? Find by name will be gold and price. Gold. You just have to write here dot price. We are taking its out. Let's take data. On data dot will be data dot will be price. Else response or send result. Okay. Just I'm going to see it. Just we are going to implement gold rate. Gold gold rate, and should we get, yes, when just pass it here. What she's doing? Yeah. Here you can see the gold rate is 50,000. Okay. 55,000. So here we have to see where it's coming. It's coming from a MongoDB, or it's coming from a caching or Redis. So here we can write here also caching. Okay. Here we can write caching. Did what? Just save it. Now just do it again. Yep, it's not doing. Why? It's cost loss and okay, just see it's get it nil or not. Get gold. So yeah, it's now nil. Red reason is showing it. Yes, I have to do one thing here. Okay, response dot send. Yes. Just we have to do here one thing. Console log data price. It's not entering here. That reason it's not showing. So it is false, else if its result is it's not working. Why it's not working? I'm not getting it. If we are saying error safe, just to hear one. If I'm letters and for the correct yeah, now here you can see it's working. It's showing undefined means somewhere is problem there. Why do data it's name dot goldby and dot price? Yeah, I did wrong here. One thing I just have to 0 because it is index on 0 and just have to write price. So we had showing invalid status code otherwise response dot send if something is wrong. Just have to write here and that's not it. Price is 500. You can see 5,500, 5,500. So here have a written his. So oh yeah. So this expiry time is 5 seconds. Sorry, 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, this key value will get expired, and if this will get expired, then just we have to get it from the MongoDB database. So just now I am just again updating new rate of the gold. Just getting post and just not sending it. Okay, update success. Now if I do here get gold before the get gold I was doing after the 5 minutes I got the nil in a now if I do go get gold rate then it will show me gold. Yeah, here you can see 5,500. But if I do so after if I'll do after 3 minutes after 5 minutes then it will show me nil. So yeah, so after that we have to just do one thing, like suppose I'm doing get gold rate and just get it and just now send it. There you can see it is coming from a caching. If I will do after 5 minutes, though it will showing after if I'll do after 5 minutes, I will send a response. I will send a request. Then it will coming from the MongoDB. So wait for just 5 minutes. So before that we have so just till for now we can review we can see what we have done it so far. Just for it we have to just for it I have to open it my whiteboard. Just we have to show it. So in the before video, in the previous video, I already told you the how caching work. So what I did here, there will be a MongoDB Express app. Okay, this Express app will be tell you gold rate, and there will be a MongoDB database. Okay, DBS, and there is a caching. Here I have a cache. Okay, which is in local host. So what I happened here? So first when I updated, when I send it updated request in the Express app, then it will update it price. Now let's suppose the price is now 5K. Okay, it's updated now in the 5K. So what I did when I updated in the also MongoDB and so I save it in the key value in the caching, in the Redis, in the key value. The ID I took a value key. I took a key name is uh, gold rate. Here you can see here. Here you can see I have took the key name of the, you can see here, gold rate. Okay, and the I put it here value. Just I put it here value which is what 5K. So it gonna save it in the caching, and after that, if uh, if user want to, user want to know gold of the rate, then he will send a request in the Express app. In the Express app, if the uh, you can, I already told you in the previous video, the gold rate will be the price of the gold rate will be changed in the 1 day, right? So I just here took I took it 5 minutes, but you can also took here 1 day. So after the 1 day, like suppose after, so I also here set a expiry. The after this the time will get the key value get expiry. So I set up the set the key value expiry and expiry value. And after the when the user has sent gold rate to the rate to the request in the Express app, then he will check if the gold rate caching, if the caching is valid. If caching is valid, then it will send from the caching. Why we would send from the MongoDB? Because it gonna be take a time. Okay, so that reason it will send the caching. But if it is not valid, it get nil, or you can say after the 5 minutes it will get nil. It means it get expired. So after the 5 minute or 1 day, it will get expired. So if it will get expired, then we have to send from the MongoDB. So that we have done. You know, for we have done it. I already, if you want, if you look, in the previous video, I already told you how the caching is working. From the example of the gold rate. In the gold rate, I already this. Here it's working as it is. Whatever I told you. In the, you can here also set expiry. You know, 1 days. Okay, after 1 days, whenever user send a response for gold rate, they will expire the key value. Okay, the key value will get expire, and it will send. If it will get expired, then it will send from a MongoDB. Okay, so because the price will be get change, can be changed. That reason we just considering for 1 days. Okay, so let's suppose if I now I do here get gold rate, so you can see here it will coming from the MongoDB. Yeah, you can see here price is 500, which is coming from the MongoDB. It's not coming from the caching because it got expired after the 5 second, after the 5 minutes. Okay, so if I do in the command also, so you can see here get gold rate. Here also have a get it me. So yeah, so that reason we use so that was a implement part of the Redis, and you can also use also one more thing, Redis you can use also is that as like that MongoDB for Redis, but that was implement part of the Redis. And if you like this video, so please press button on the like or press button press button of so please press button on the like if you get like this video, if you get useful this video. So yeah, that's from my side. This was implement of the part of the Redis. So one more thing you have to considering, you have to take care of it before the implement. You just have to, if your port number is a default value, default number, like there will be my default is what sorry for that. There will be default is 6379. Okay, so if their port is 6379, you don't have to write your port number. But if your port number is different, then you have to go, then you have to see it your then you have to write your different port number. Just have to over. Yeah. You can see here if there will be a different port number that doesn't have a written port number. But if your port number is default is that, then you don't have to write. Just you have to do it. Just you have to import the radius, and just you have to invoke that. Okay. So yeah, that's from my side. And if you get any if you're stuck in this video, you can tell me in the comment section, and we'll be answering all those questions in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. So yeah, that was all from my side. And keep learning and keep studying. Thank you.